Do as I do.
Filthy! Ah!
Don't talk like that. This is Ganga Maiya. Now pray.
Ma,
What, beta?
do all people in Allahabad have baths in this river? Can't we just have a bath at home?
You think we came here for a bath?
I don't know.
This is a holy river. Your sins were washed away just now. Bath. You know, Ajay, when I was a little girl, my father would bring me here every morning. I dreamed that one day your father would do the same for you. Come, new school, new uniform and new friends. Now you don't have to be scared because you've been blessed. Blessed from head to toe.
But I didn't.
We'll be late. Let's go.
Lovely baby! Boy or girl? Boy. Go ahead, dip him. There's a dead dog floating there. And they're dumping chemicals from the factory. There. And there, that's Beligaon, a slum. On the verge of a cholera epidemic. Guess where the so-called sewage system leads it to? Go ahead, dip, dip. Holy, holy, holy. Yes, it is holy. Because if you dip your son in it, he'll go straight to heaven. Today is Friday. Saturday, Sunday is a holiday. By Monday, he'll be in heaven. You're standing in a holy river and using words like that. Hey, Anwarji, very good. What's that? Let me see.
No, Dr. G. It's not mine. I was going for prayer.
For prayer. What the mosque sends written invitations now?
No, not prayer.
What are you going to do? Spend that on that poison Ram said?
Not poison.
Yeah, give me that.
Please, Dr. G. Just one. It's going to be hot today.
And what? It was snowing yesterday.
Please, one only, please.
Stop it, Anwar. What are you doing?
Please, Dr. G.
Anwar, save that for your silly tourists. It's not going to work on me.
Dr. Sahab, enjoying your walk.
A giant.
How's Ma?
She's better today. She was in some pain last night.
Do you think you should admit her?
She has a doctor at home, Giant.
Maybe she needs a nurse in the day.
Who's that talking now? You or her? You rascal. See? Over too soon.
I can drink this all my life.
And what a miracle it will be if you don't start drinking anything else. No, Giant, she doesn't need a nurse. She needs to get out more. And you're not helping with your dancing sweets and your blessed coconuts.
Me?
What is that you do, Giant? Say Subramum and throw some flowers this side. Say Chubramum and throw some grass that side. Wedding, death ceremony, new house puja. Subramum, Chubramum one time, Gabramum, Chapramum some other time.
I have studied the Vedas in Sanskrit.
A dead language. I bet all you're saying is, I'm glad these fools don't know Sanskrit, Swaha. I hope they pay me handsomely, Swaha. Oh, I'm tired, my knees are hurting and I just want to go home, Swaha.
You're lucky you're a Hindu. Any other religion, the gods would have struck you down by now, Swaha.
God, Jan, God. If you must have a higher power, at least have just one. Instead, we have hundreds. They flirt with girls, they cut off heads, they get cursed by sages. They all have such short tempers.
The world is complicated.
Role models. We need more role models. What are you doing?
I have my ladies' Gita class now.
Yes, yes, yes. And how are all your girlfriends doing?
Dr. Ji, they aren't my girlfriends.
Jan, you always had the aunties chasing after you.
It is all behind us.
You're like this little Krishna down by the river. Except you're not blue, you're this funny yellow. You're not jaundice, are you?
It's Haldi.
Haldi, ghee, fire. All we need is some ginger and garlic and salt and jeera. Perfect.
Tell Ma I'll come and see her soon.
I will. Hey, Anwar, what are you doing? Go to the hospital toilet.
But it is clean here.
And what? It's dirty there. Somebody's going to get...
No, here it is moving. It's always clean.
Anwar, you have no idea. Please go to the hospital toilet. Bloody idiot. What are you trying to say? still on your chair?
I'm just back from my jog.
Oh, from the kitchen for your tea.
I'm reading. You want me to do jumping jacks to Naipaul?
Ma, how long have you been there?
It's Naipaul, Ajay. Could be years. I can't tell.
Ma, have you been at the cough mixer again? I keep telling you, let me get you a bottle of brandy and we can stop pretending. You can still use a teaspoon.
Did you bring my furosemide?
Furosemide, what for?
My son, the doctor.
You've been reading my Sims again, haven't you?
I told you about my water retention.
Furosemide for... Ma, how about cutting down your salt intake?
What are you? An Ayurvedic doctor? You'll start giving me little sugar balls next.
Ma, that would make me a homeopathic doctor. Or a sweet vendor. Ma, this is not a bottle of booze. It can make you bleed internally. And where is that Sims of mine? Ma, and this is a drug directory for doctors, not the Reader's Digest. Stop reading it. Even I feel itchy when I read it.
Ajay, don't throw books like that. Show some respect, especially here.
Oh, the gods, bugger houses and tap our phones just because it's Allahabad.
Did you meet James today?
I did, and he said he'd come by soon.
Okay.
And Ma, if he brings his laddus, I don't care if he picked them out of the nose of Lord Shiva himself, you are not eating them.
It's prasad. It's holy.
How about little blessed multivitamin pills then? Huh? Walking is prasad. Come. Let's walk around the room at least. Tomorrow we'll go out.
You've already gone for your walk. You'll get tired.
Have no fear, Ma. I'll try and keep up with you as we race around the room. In
Ajay,
fact, I think we should go out to the river.
Ajay, please not today.
Ma, please. You must, Ma. You like it. It's holy.
Wow, it's like the sea.
नहीं कुछ नहीं है जाओ.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Would you like some prasad?
Oh,
Oh, no, please take. I'm not asking for money.
thank you.
So you are visiting our great city.
Yes,
From where?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Ah, they call it the Garden City. But the only garden I saw was a shop called Sari Garden. So what brings you here?
I'm here to study.
Study?
Just study.
No, tell me, don't worry.
The river. I'm here to study the Ganges.
You're studying at Ganga.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. There's nothing wrong. So you're a scientist.
Yes, a postdoctoral fellow actually.
You're a doctor.
Well, yes, but not medicine.
By the time you leave, you'll be a doctor of the Ganga. Just like me. What's your name?
Uma.
Uma? Oh, that's wonderful then. We are all family here then, huh? My name is Jayant Vyas and I am with the temple. Anytime you want a puja or prasad, just come and ask for me.
I will, thanks.
And if you want to learn more about the Gita, come to my Gita class every Friday 5:30.
In the morning.
No, nobody will come. Not even in Allahabad. In the evening. Come. You will like it.
Okay, we'll see. Careful, Uma. 2 minutes by the Ganges and you've already been hit on by a priest.
Hey,
Here, take my arm.
no, I'm okay.
Ma,
No, really.
I'll let go if I see one of your friends.
Okay.
Villager.
She's pretty.
What, who's?
Ajay, we need to talk.
Ma, don't worry, Ma. I'll find somebody, please.
No, not about that. That also, but who's that?
That's Anwar.
He's also looking at that girl.
Also?
Anwar?
What do you mean also?
Hello, auntie.
You Shaitan, what are you doing?
Nothing.
You're trying to get some money off that girl, weren't you?
I tried. She didn't give. Only some burfi. She only looks like a heroine.
You think she looks like a heroine? What do you think, Ajay?
Heroine what? Addict? Dealer?
Why is he begging again? Doesn't he have food?
He has plenty and he can always go to the mosque.
I don't think so, Ajay.
Not that again, please.
Just some food, maybe some clothes.
And some schooling, and some marriage, and pension also. No.
Let's go home. This wasn't a good idea. The sand.
Ma, the sand is good. It exercises.
Ajay, I'm in pain. Let's go home.
Okay, but how about some chai first? You'd like to have some chai, no?
Can I help you?
No, nothing.
But you're standing there watching me.
No, I was just wondering what you were doing.
Oh, and it's so startling to see somebody standing by the Ganges.
No, it's just that you seem like a sensible person.
What's that supposed to mean?
Nothing.
No, please go on. I'd like to hear this one.
I was puzzled that you would go right in to collect water. That you would collect water in the first place.
I don't know how, if that's any of your business.
It just might be my business, madam.
I'm sorry, who are you?
I'm Dr. Ajay.
Oh, and I'm supposed to know who you are.
You're not from here,
No, I'm not, and I'm not sure I like your tone, Dr. Ajay.
and I'm not sure you'll like mine when I say I told you so, as we start the Salai. I'm starting the Ganga cholera prevention and eradication program here at Beligaon.
Is this another Uttar Pradesh government initiative?
Might be. Why?
Oh, no, nothing. Just because of its trite and tedious name and the fact that it shortens to GCPP, which arguably is as much of a mouthful as the original. And knowing how your government works, you'll just go and add the and make that GCPAEP.
And I'm not sure if I like your tone, madam.
I'm not madam, I'm Uma.
So, what are you going to do? Go and keep that in your puja room for the next 10 years?
Doctor, you really know a lot about me.
Look, you may sneer at my program, but it's a product of blood, sweat and tears.
Oh, that's cliche and I'm unhygienic.
Everything is about prevention. Prevention
Oh,
is
no,
the...
careful, doctor.
What?
Another cliche coming.
Oh, so you can talk so well, no? You can talk, but what do? You just come here and perpetuate.
I've really been accused of many things, but never perpetuating. No, you're right, doctor. I'm just another crazy Hindu whose beliefs override everything else, including common manners.
I'm sure. Ah, Giant,
Dr. Saab. And Madam, hello.
Call me Uma.
Of course. Uma, Madam, how is your work going?
It was fine until 2 minutes ago.
You know, she's a scientist studying our Ganga.
What?
Are you aware, Dr. Ajay, that the waters of the Ganges are replete with bacteriophages that show a marked action against Vibrio cholerae?
Oh, no.
Well, they do. And please excuse me, I need to get my samples back to my puja room for analysis.
Dr. Ajay, if you don't mind me saying so, you've never had a way with the women.
Like cholera.
What?
I infect them with my enthusiasm and they start to run.
I told her to come for my Gita class.
What? A scientist at your Gita class?
Why not? She said she would come. Maybe now you will come as well.
It'll take more than some scientist woman to bring me to your brainwashing sessions. Hey, what's happening with that Rakshasi? Do I have to stand on one leg under a tree for the next 20 years?
I was at the hospital looking for you. She's given you an appointment Wednesday morning, 9 a.m.
last.
She's seen your proposal.
Oh, I'm sure she's seen it. But has she read it?
Yes. But politicians don't like to talk about cleaning up Ganga Maiya.
I know. It's such a mystery. You think the one who does would be voted in instantly? But nobody seems to care.
Maybe they think Ganga Maiya can take care of herself.
And maybe the fat priests like it that way.
I have never seen you here at this time, Dr. Ajay.
Well, what's the time?
Huh?
Look, I have to rush. I'll see you later. Mom, is there some chai?
Oh, good, you're back. I was meaning to talk to you about the Satyanarayan puja I'm having Wednesday morning.
Puja, no ma, not possible. I've got a meeting with that minister finally, Wednesday at 9 o'clock.
Oh yes? I don't know why you have to stir things up like this.
Ma, government doctors have to play government games.
Don't call them games. You know what happened to the couple down the road. The woman is still blind from what she saw and the man still doesn't speak.
Yeah, well.
Are you going to listen to me today?
Oh no. Yes ma, I'm listening.
I'm not well.
I know that ma.
I don't feel good.
You
My
don't feel
time
good
is-
because you don't exercise. All you need
Don't! Tell me about walking. You wish. You wish, don't you? It was that simple. I want you to promise me something. Ajay,
Yes, yes, I'm listening.
I want my last rites to be done in the traditional manner.
Oh God, not that again, ma. Please, there's no need to go.
I want to be cremated by the river. Sandalwood would be impossible, but good wood. I have money saved, and I want my ashes to be scattered in the river.
No. No.
What?
Ma, how can you ask this of me?
Because you're my son.
But how can I, of all people,
Why? Who are you?
ma, do you know it takes 400 kgs of wood for a cremation? And Hindus use more than 50 million trees a year just for this. And even then the flesh doesn't burn properly. And because it doesn't
So you
burn...
want to put me in one of those electric ovens where I'm slid in and out on rails as if I'm a piece of
Ma,
toast?
listen, ma, because it doesn't burn properly, we fill the river with organic waste.
Organic waste?
How is there any dignity in being cooked on a wood fire and then being tossed into the river to be eaten by fish? I'd rather be a piece of toast, thank you.
Yes, Ajay, you would rather be a piece of toast.
Ma, when you're gone, none of this will matter to you. I'll be the one who'll be saddled with... What the hell? What's all this about dying anyway?
There's nothing to fear, Ajay.
Suddenly one day we leave Bombay and you come here and you start doing all these things. Pujas and prayers and leaves hanging from doors and red powders and yellow powders and green powders and...
Don't exaggerate, there is no green powder.
Don't eat this today, eat only that tomorrow, ma.
How children forget their parents had an entire life before they came along. I'm heavy, Ajay. I feel trapped, polluted. I want peace.
I thought coming back to the city was about getting peace.
Yes, it was. I've made amends and I need to finish it. I need you for that.
But I've just started getting through. You know, down in the slum, they're just beginning to understand that the river doesn't wash away everything. And then what happens? I go and I do it myself. I'll undo years of work.
People are not standing by the bank waiting to see what you do. And anyway, this is my dying wish.
Dying wish. Are we on ZTV?
I'll make some chai.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Here, have some prasad.
Oh, no, it's okay.
No, please take with fresh blessings on top. See, still shining.
Oh, it's good.
Of course it is. I have to stay ahead of the competition.
Preset competition.
Yes, there are hundreds of us. I'll be advertising on TV next.
TV? That's disgusting. How can you do that? How can you commodify religion like that? It's not about you, it's what you stand for. And
I was joking. Please eat.
this is good. Where did you get it?
I hold my hand out and God puts it in my palm. It took several years of penance.
Very funny. Oh, look.
Oh yes, he's here every morning.
Oh, for his cleanup program.
He's a doctor at Swarup Rani Hospital.
Government pays it.
Yes, we're all very proud. He even saved up his own money to build a toilet outside the hospital for the poor people.
Oh.
Uma madam, I must go. I have a housewarming.
Oh, really?
I'm doing the puja.
Yes. Yes. Oh, careful, doctor. You could get an infection, holiness, cholera.
Hello, what are you doing?
Oh, preparing for prayer.
Look, I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. I have rituals to finish before I get back to the lab.
Okay, I was just going for my walk. Hey, Alba, where are you running to? Or rather, who are you running
Please,
from?
Dr. G.
What's that in your hand? Show me. What's that? When did you start this? Where did you get it? Anwar, tell me.
No, Dr. G, it's not for me, doctor. It's not
Shut
for
up!
me.
Don't lie to me. Where did you get it? Did you buy it or steal
I
it or what?
found it. I don't know what it is.
Anwar! Hey, you stay out of this. How long, Anwar? How long have you been
Hey,
using
let
it?
him go.
Hey, he's just acting. You just stay out of this.
Don't hurt him.
Anwar, what's wrong with?
Let him go.
Excuse me, you have
What
no.
the hell? You think you're some sort of god walking around this place?
I have money, Jay.
Ma, let's not talk about money now.
When will we talk about it then? When I'm in a matka?
Ma.
I have money saved. He doesn't know how much.
Okay.
Anyway, he's not listening to me. Whenever I say,
What's going on here?
Jayant was just telling me about what I'm missing at his classes.
I saw you at the river just now.
Yes, I was there doing pujas.
What? Pujas that make you fly? What's happening here? Are you talking to him about what you said to me?
Dr. G.
Jan, you stay out of this. Oh, why is he here?
He comes here all the time. Why are you asking me this?
Are you asking him to do something for you? So that's it? You'll just go past me?
Ma, I'll go to the temple, ma.
Let me just stay right
Ajay!
It's okay, ma.
Jan, you've grown up here. Practically as a son of this house. The key word, even though you're this model son, is practically. You're not going to come in here and start doing things against my wishes.
What about my wishes?
Ma, your wishes go against everything I stand for.
It's just one time. Once only. Your mother.
Every single person who dumps anything into that river always says the same thing.
You will not talk about Ma like that.
I didn't talk about her! This is your problem, Jan, and yours, Ma. You lose the picture. I didn't talk about her. I was talking about a pile of ashes.
Ajay.
With respect. How can you not heed the dying wish of your own mother? It's like God's wish.
Holy water, ritual bath, blessed laddus, and now dying wish. Nobody here is dying.
I am dying, Ajay.
You are not dying, Ma.
Listen to me,
Ma.
man!
One needs to leave this world having done the right thing.
After my father left this world, this woman, who never even went to a temple, came to the city and turned into a fanatic. I cannot be expected to follow her every whim.
How funny you use that word.
What word? Jan? What word?
Fanatic.
Ma.
I'll make some chai.
Oh, right, Ma. Just use making chai to diffuse everything in this world. You know, we should send you to war zones around the world. India and Pakistan, Israel and Palestine, all just waiting for someone to stand and say, I'll go and make some chai. Hello? Which one? Hypertensive already? How low? Okay, give her the saline wide open. You did? Oh, okay, start another one. I'm coming right away. Ma, I've got to go back to the hospital. Ma, there's a child who's dying and we are pumping her with saline but it's not working. She must have drunk from that bloody river of yours. Infected with everybody's dying wishes. And guess what her dying wish is? Nothing. She doesn't get one. She doesn't want to die. Ma!
What is happening? Have they been in touch? What do you mean? This impatient, this is why they need to come and see what we're doing, working as fast as we can. I know you know, just tell them again. Jesus.
Is he here as well?
Oh, you gave me a fright.
Look, is this a bad time? I'm sure it is, but listen, I just wanted to apologize. The other day I got, I get carried away.
Rivers do that to people.
So, you're a scientist.
Sometimes too much of a scientist.
Why do you say that?
My business partner, he thinks I identify myself as a person through my work.
Is that a bad thing?
Apparently it's unattractive in a woman.
So that was your business partner on the phone.
Don't be cheeky. Yes, he's a scientist and has an MBA, so that makes him obnoxious and boring. So, oh,
No, please.
so do you live around here?
Yeah, right there at Rambagh.
And you've lived here all your life?
Oh, no, we moved here when I was 10, after my father died, to the old family house.
So you're a doctor and an environmentalist?
Does that make me obnoxious and boring? No, don't. I'm sure it does. People see Ganga Maya. I see gastroenteritis, amoebic dysentery, typhoid, cholera, chemical poisoning, tapeworm. From Rishikesh onwards, they're pouring in raw sewage and acetone and heavy metals, chromium salt, solvents, and of course all the hair and the half-burnt corpses.
That really sounds like a tourism brochure for hell.
I keep saying people here are more likely to wash away their skins than their sins.
Anywhere else in the world, a holy river should be clean enough to drink out of.
Exactly. That's exactly what I
No,
keep...
but they say the water is self-purifying and cleansing.
Oh, they say all sorts of convenient things.
But haven't you wondered how it's not much worse than it is? I mean, looking around, looking at the slums, there should be pandemics.
Well, we do our
No,
job.
I'm sure you do, but even so, this should be much worse.
What do you mean? We are out there...
No, I'm not trying to take away from what you do. Relax.
I'm relaxed.
Yeah, well,
So, why are you studying it?
I'm working on a paper actually, bacteriophage therapy.
Bacteriophage therapy. Why? Are they depressed?
Oh, no, no. Well, maybe they will be once I'm done working with them. But the paper's called The Study of Bacteriophage Action, Gangetic Waters.
Study of bacteriophage. And madam, you call GCPEP a trite and a tedious name.
Well, it can't be too much of a super hit with a title like that. I need something more Hollywood.
So these phages, they're viruses, right, that infect bacteria?
Yes.
But didn't they dismiss it in the 1800s?
No, they didn't dismiss it, they discovered it.
And dismissed it.
No, penicillin came along, so they just lost focus. But it's back now, phage therapy. All the more essential thanks to doctors who worship antibiotics that have created superbacteria.
And patients who never listen and don't take their full courses.
Of course.
How about Piranhas of the Ganges?
What?
For your Hollywood title? Piranhas of the Ganges. You just don't mention the scale. It's all about marketing, right?
That's quite good. It could be the first scientific paper to get movie rights.
Yeah, it's all about blowing things out of proportion, isn't it?
What? What do you mean?
Look, phages are everywhere, in ponds and lakes, even in fruit.
No, but nowhere is concentrated. It's right here in the Ganges.
Who says?
Well, only about 800 million Hindus.
So you're saying that this whole industry is because of a bunch of phages?
No, just look at that. It's beautiful. I mean, if not for that bridge, it could be 100 years in the past, 100 in the future.
Only if you don't look too closely.
No, even if you look closely, I've been staring at it through a microscope for days. Okay, you take a sample, and what do you see? It's shit, it's muck, seething. I mean, I could get a cleaner sample from my hotel toilet bowl. But then I come out here and walk by it as the sun is setting, and it's still magic. And then I go back and look at the sample, and it's clean. The phages have just gotten to work and killed almost everything in sight.
So this is what you're going to harness?
Yes, and it's completely natural, so there are no dosage problems, no side effects. Think about it, it's like recruiting microscopic armies to defend the body. And the idea for that came from right here, the Ganges.
Hey, but listen, how can there not be any side effects? The phages, they rupture the bacteria, right? And what about the toxins? What do you think happens in cholera?
There are ways, variations. I mean, you can have lysis deficient phages, for example. That's what my business partner is working on. He's starting a company, there's US funding, oh, great things are happening. I mean, this could be a revolution. Are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine, sorry.
Are you sure? You seem exhausted.
Yeah, I've barely slept in the last 3 days. There are 4 sick children in the hospital.
Cholera.
Yes,
From this land?
yes. You know, there was this girl and she was doing better. But last night she was acutely hypovolemic. Dry as a bone. Sorry, that's a cliche. You don't like cliches.
What happened?
We gave her 3 liters, but her kidneys won't budge.
And then?
She died
She died.
at 4 p.m. today.
How old was she?
5. Looked 3 normally. But before she died, she looked 90.
Oh, God.
So, how long
For what?
this phage therapy?
It's already begun.
No, but how long before it comes here to Bellygaon?
I don't know, a long time. I mean, loads of tests and trials. The human trials is a long, long process even before it can get started.
You know, this girl, I went to her house yesterday because her mother was unwell. And she was there laughing and running about. And she must have drunk some unboiled water, that's all. And today she died. That's how fast it goes. Anyway, I've got to get back there. God, I need some rest. We don't have time to wait for theories.
La 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 la.
Hey, you're on her, no? I like that song. It's from Bhakti. I watched it. It's quite good.
You've seen it?
Yes.
Lucky. I've not gone. But I know all the songs and even the dances.
How do you know the dances?
My friend saw it. He showed me. And Ram also. I want to see it, but no money.
Come on, I know you have a lot of money. I've seen you counting it.
But I have to eat also.
That's true. So where do you live?
Here, there.
And the police don't come? No, they're not here.
The police is not good. They catch us and they beat us.
They beat you, why?
Because they can. They hang us up and beat us, aeroplane. And always the Muslim children get harder beatings.
What, that's terrible.
I got caught once. Only once. I am fast. I run. I can run so fast, you know.
You can.
Yes, so fast. You want to see?
Okay.
Before you blink, I'll be there. Near that temple.
Okay, wait, don't just save your energy. So what do you eat?
Anything. It is hard now. Mela time is okay.
Kumbh Mela.
No, Magh Mela every year. But now I get hungry. I don't tell Dr. G. He thinks I have lots of money. He takes from me.
What?
He takes money from me.
What? Why would he do that?
The day that you saw, no?
Yes, but
He beats me and takes money. He said that I waste it, but he
no,
can
no,
put it
wait,
by-
wait. How much can he be making of you?
Oh, there are many like me. Many.
That's terrible. Are you hungry now?
I've not eaten for 2 days.
Okay, I'll tell you what. How much is the movie ticket?
20. No, 30 rupees.
You said 20.
Yes, 20.
So another 20 for a decent meal.
30, madam. Allahabad is very expensive.
Don't give me that. I've been out. I know it's cheap. So that's 40. But don't give it to the doctor.
No, madam, never.
Okay, you're in luck. I don't have change. So here's 50.
Here, let me help you. I will carry a bag.
No, it's okay.
No, Didi, I will help.
Okay, but be careful.
I will be very careful. So, have you seen the movie Joker?
No.
Oh, then good. Then I will tell you the story.
Have you seen it?
No. Anyway.
You only just came back?
Yes, ma'am. I have that appointment today.
What happened?
Huh? Oh, she died. Convulsions, the works. No name again, so I called her Noor. Noor, aged 5.
Wear something nice, but not too nice.
Okay.
Your white kurta might be good. Play the same trick on her that they play on us.
Okay, white kurta it is.
Aren't you going to have a bath?
What, for Padma Devi? I'll have one after I get back. I'll need it anyway.
But you've been at the hospital all night,
Ma,
Ajay.
I must go now.
Dr. G! Dr. G!
It's Anwar.
Dr. G! Uma Didi, it's Joseph Dharma.
Yeah.
Some police came and took her away.
Police?
They will beat her. They will hang her up and beat her.
Okay, they're not going to beat her. Tell me properly what happened.
I didn't listen. I ran off. I couldn't hear. I saw them talking to her and she took her back. I went into the jeep. So she was shouting. They will beat her.
Okay, there's nothing to be worried about. They're not going to beat
No,
her.
Dr. G, they're always beating. They always
Ma,
beat.
some of your chai intervention now will be good. Now listen, Anwar, I'm going to the minister's office. I'm going to ask them to phone and ask, okay?
No, Dr. G, you don't know. I know. Dr. G.
Anwar,
no.
shut up. Now listen, the sad fact of life is that while you will be beaten up by the police, your Uma Didi will never be.
No, Dr. G, that inspector was there. He is very bad.
Anwar, you know how the rich people live, don't you? You've seen the houses, you've seen the cars. The rich people don't get beaten up by the police. The police are scared of rich people.
Uma Didi is rich.
Yes, rich and spoiled and overeducated. Okay, she'll be at the river by the evening. I'll see you later, okay?
Ajay,
Yes?
why didn't she have a name?
Who?
She was 5. Why didn't she have a name?
The more children they've lost, the longer they wait to name them.
I've made chai. You want chai?
Okay.
I will report all of you. This is harassment. I know the DIG and the IG. I'm going to talk to them. Dr. Ajay, how did you know I was here?
I didn't. Anwar told me they took you away to the police station.
They made me sit in some police station. Some minister here wants to see me.
Don't worry, I have a meeting with that minister. Judge.
She's in a very bad mood. She wants to see you now.
What? But I have the appointment.
She said she'll see you next.
I have children at the hospital.
Dr. Saad. She said she'll see you afterwards. Don't worry.
Great.
No, I won't be long. I'll make sure of that.
Oh, तुम औरत हो? What? Good है. I am also a woman.
Yes,
But I am a state minister for health. I am not a nurse, I am not a typist, I am not a bank employee.
No, excuse me.
You are a woman and also a scientist.
How can you ask the police to bring me here? This is harassment.
No, not harassment. ये democracy है. कल you can send police to pick me up, no? हम सब बराबर हैं, Dr. साहिबा.
Don't give me that. I was just doing my work and these men, they...
अरे दिमाग खराब मत करो. Why you are so excited about some men in a jeep, huh? What? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Where you are coming from?
Bangalore.
Ah, Bangalore I have been. Such bakwas shoes you get there. Shoes. You like shoes?
Yes, I suppose so.
I have many shoes. Too small for you, but I have many. So we can talk about business now. You will have chai, coffee, thanda.
No, thanks.
Chai.
Okay, chai.
Babu, chai lao. You are finding something amusing?
No.
Something I have said is tickling your funny bones?
No.
Babu, chai can sell. Now what is this page?
What? How on earth do you know about that?
Ministers have many friends. What you call them, chamche?
So you've been sending people to spy on me?
Allahabad may be a big city, but near this river, it is still a small village. So what is this page?
It's phage, short for bacteriophage. It's a virus.
You're looking for virus in the river?
Yes.
And?
And it's pretty serious. I mean, I'm finding many strange viruses in the water around the slums. It's pretty scary, isn't it?
Yes, very scary. What is your dream, Dr. Uma? Come here. What is your dream?
I mean...
Please, Dr. Uma, we are all girls here, all girls school. Talk to me, tell me about it. Tell me your big dream. I know you have one, I can see it shining in your eyes.
Well, I suppose...
Speak! Never be afraid to say what is important to you.
Well, I suppose my dream is to have a breakthrough.
Good head.
To have the country benefit from what I'm studying. My dream is to eradicate these diseases that are so endemic to the Ganges region. They're synonymous with it.
Good head. Now what is my dream?
Your dream?
Come on, yes.
Do you want to be Prime Minister of India?
Prime Minister, very good. No, Dr. Sahiba, I am not a fool. I would be happy to reach central government, but for that I need votes. Good hair. What else? Before that?
Money?
Good hair. And before that?
What is this? Is this school?
I need marketing. I need a model. And what is the most beautiful model in my constituency? Better than Hamari Aishwarya?
The river.
Good work. Good for you. Like how your teacher will write, no? Good work. 5 on 10.
So that is why there's always someone lurking around the lab.
What did you think? Sit down. This is not your Kabini River Lodge. Ye Ganga hai. This is not Tungabhadra. This river is a hotline to 80% of India. Very dangerous.
Are you threatening me?
Don't be a fool, Dr. Sahiba. I am telling you, you are safe now. Otherwise, without a trace. You are knowing that word? Without a trace.
It still sounds like you're threatening me.
Do you know I started as a holy woman? That is the secret. One must either begin holy or begin in Bollywood. I am still a holy woman. People still line up to ask for my blessings.
That's the problem. You've got it all wrong. You're the servant of the people, not some god.
Exactly! Very good work. 10 on 10 for you. And one Ravalgaon sweet also. Babu! When I was a holy woman, my dream was to be a voice of God. But they came and touched my feet. So I said, I'll become a servant. They came and touched my feet. They gave donations. I bought shoes. They touched my feet. So many gods. But they are always hungry for more. Why? Because they are always hungry. And sometimes, my dear, they must stay hungry. Sometimes hope is better than food. Yours is a good dream. You may think mine is not a good dream. I dream for myself. Some people would call it selfish. Others would call it honest. Eradicating those diseases that are so endemic to the Ganges region that they are almost synonymous with it. Part of your Padma Shri Award speech, no? Your Nobel Prize chitti. Do you know how much more I can do for this place sitting in Delhi? 10 times more. No, 100 times more than what I can do sitting right here. Good. You and I are understanding each other, Dr. Uma. We both want the same thing. You see that man there? Come in. You see him? He wants to take religion away from the river and put it in temples. He thinks the river is dying. He says, don't shit in the river today because both of you will die next week. You know, it is like what you see in museum, modern art. You know modern art. But you cannot put modern art in a slum. Only God can do that.
Padma Devi, madam.
Call me Padma, madam. We are friends now.
Padma, madam. I don't want to take sides.
But this is a city of rivers. There are sides everywhere. If you don't take a side, it is because you are floating. What? Go! Enough. Come again, talk to my secretary. Bring your paper, bring your proposal. Who knows? Someday you and I together, maybe we will make this unholy city into a holy place once more. Huh? Oh, and tell that doctor to come only after 5 minutes. Sala chutia, once he starts talking, he'll never stop.
Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. After many births and deaths, he who is actually in knowledge surrenders unto me, knowing me to be the cause of all causes and all that is. Such a great soul is very rare. Come, sit. Everybody, today we have a scientist in our class. This is Uma. Who knows who Uma was? Somebody? Anybody? Oh, good. Uma knows herself. Who were you?
Uma was Parvati, Shiva's second wife.
Good. And?
And her name means horse in Japanese.
But more importantly today is that Uma was the sister of the Ganga. Say hello to your sister. She was a goddess who used to flow up in the heavens, but today she flows down here on earth. Imagine Uma, a goddess lives amongst us and walks through our city every day. Where else in the world would that happen? She first came down to earth when King Bhagiratha asked her to flow over the remains of 60,000 dead princes to give them their mukti, but she didn't like being told what to do. So she threatened to wash away the earth as she fell. Then Lord Shiva stepped in a way, wrapped her in his hair and let her fall gently over the Himalayas. It took Lord Shiva to stop her. So imagine her power and...
Pandit Ji, you're no doubt telling the story in honor of the young woman you have in your midst.
Yes, but I haven't finished yet.
Yeah, but the best part is done. Have you told your regulars why this sister of the Ganga is here?
She's here to study the river. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yes, but she's also here to prove that your pure and mighty Ganga is self-cleansing only because of viruses that infect bacteria. Viruses. That's all there is to your Ganga.
Ladies, calm down. It's okay. Explain this. There are viruses
That infect the bacteria in the river.
Are you saying that the Ganga is pure only because it is full of very tiny things that infect the tiny things that infect us? Last year, I was at the Ghats, supervising the rites of an old man who had died. His grandson was standing in the distance looking at the sunset. When I had the time, I walked up to him and said, "Isn't it beautiful?" He told me that he had just learnt in class that the colors in the sky were because of light bending. What's it called?
Refraction.
Refraction. So I looked at him and said, "Is it less beautiful now that you know that?" He looked at me and said, "More beautiful." That is God, Dr. G. The more you learn, the more beautiful it all becomes. Okay, ladies, that's it for today. I'll see you next Friday.
If only your illustrative stories weren't so damn convenient.
What was that for? Where have you been all these days?
I've been busy. Why?
What did she say to you?
Who?
Oh, come on. I didn't come here to do this. I came here to do my work and mind my business. You know that, don't you?
Yes, but what I said was true.
Well, the facts were, but the spirit wasn't. You really think that if you tap into the right place, it'll all come crashing down? I mean, you heard what he said. You're not dealing with some irrational superstition. This is faith. I mean, you can't fight faith. You mustn't fight faith.
What did you tell her? She thinks you're going to pour one little bottle into the Ganga tomorrow and it'll all be crystal clear by evening.
She's crazy. She asked me what my dream was and I told her.
You think this is all one big joke, don't you?
Of course not.
You come in with your big city
You
bubble.
know nothing about me.
Okay, yes. That is true. But there's something I'd like to show you. Can you meet me at the hospital tomorrow, early?
Okay.
Good. 7 a.m. Get some sleep, if you can, that is.
At least I don't go around extorting street children to fuel my dreams.
Excuse me?
You heard.
बेटा 7-10 क्लीन करो सलाइन हटाओ
छोटू जल्दी स्टैंड लेके आओ।
साइड 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 साइड
मैडम रूम से बाहर जाइए, विजिटिंग आवर
इसका
खत्म हो
बीपी
गया।
लो यार
फोन कब से बजे जा रहे हैं, कोई उठाता क्यों नहीं है?
कल नाइट शिफ्ट पे कौन था
Creatinine 2.1, 135. Not good at all.
Good morning. I'm so sorry I'm late.
Come, nothing will happen.
It's Anwar.
Yes.
What? When did he come in?
Yesterday, they found him in the sand near the ghats. People just did their puja around him and then left him there.
What? Yesterday? I met you yesterday. Why didn't you tell me?
अरे BP reading कौन ले लिया इसका? क्या यार? So I brought him in and I started aggressive treatment. You know, the other day I found a packet of brown sugar on him. I don't want to know how he earns enough to buy it. He's been using it for a while. I think he never eats.
So now, and this is?
This is cholera. Brown sugar gives you a dry mouth. He must have drunk from the river.
So how bad is he?
He's just passing water with a little bit of mucus. It's called the rice water stage. And they've given him antibiotics and pretty much all we can do at this stage is aggressively rehydrate. अरे ये बेड खाली है ना? ये saline stand क्यों नहीं हटाया? You know, last year we used to ask the parents to hold up the saline because we'd run out of stands. Too many shoes to be bought. Anyway, what did you mean extorting street children?
Anwar told me you take his money.
And you believed him?
Well, I saw you taking it off him.
That wasn't money I took.
Oh.
Yesterday he went on a little spending spree. Sugarcane juice, brown sugar. He must have suddenly been given a lot of money.
Not a lot.
How much?
Well, maybe a lot for him.
How much?
50 rupees. I know. He is good. Please don't lecture
The
me.
tourists do this. They feel guilty and they give them $5-10. Do you know what happens when you give kids like Anwar 500 rupees? They get drunk and high and beaten, robbed, raped. Look, you can't come in here and change things in one move. Yes, I do take money from Anwar whenever he has more than 5 rupees. There are standing instructions in the hospital canteen to feed him at any time. And whatever money I take, I match and I put it in a post office account. He'll get it when I know he'll spend it wisely.
How much does he have?
Over 1,000 rupees. Once a tourist gave him 200 rupees and I nearly went broke that month. Listen, you mustn't blame yourself. You know, sometimes in the poorest sections of the slum, when nobody's gone to school, you tell the children there's bacteria in the water, and you know what they do?
They look.
Exactly. They hold it in their palms, and if it looks clear, they drink. No matter how much you explain to them how small they are. So I tell them that when you trap water in ponds or when you pour rubbish into rivers, the river starts to get angry. Like that story Jayant said, you don't get in the Ganga's way. And then one day you drink that water and that water goes inside you and it wants to flow. But it doesn't go alone. It starts making the water inside you angry. And soon you become like a river yourself. An angry little river that nobody sees. Don't make the water angry, I tell them.
So lovely.
Works.
Dr. Ji!
That's Jack,
Dr. James!
screaming like that.
Could have vessels fed neighbors order? Listen, Danish, I said it just in case you want.
Please tell Sister that I'm gone.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I'll go back. Will you tell sister?
Were you close to her?
I was like him once.
Really?
In some ways, Ma and I are closer than.
I'm so sorry, I just heard.
I should have asked another doctor to take over months ago.
Don't.
Jack,
What did you do to her?
what?
What did you do to her?
Jack, what's wrong with you?
He told the priest about the crematorium. Why?
What? A crematorium?
Shame on you.
Jack, I don't know what you're talking
You
about.
know what she's been through. You know, how can you let her come back and suffer more? Just one wish she had, one wish.
If she has chosen a
It's not what she wanted. She said it just for you. An ungrateful son who can't even let his own mother die.
Do you think this is easy? On the one side, her dying wish, on the other. Do you think this is easy?
Ajay,
Forget it. Sorry. You know, before she went, I asked her what to do with the money, Anwar's.
why?
You know why? And she said, use it for another one of them. And that's just what I wanted her to say. But even though the hospital could have disposed of his body, and I could have so easily used that money to save another brat, I wanted to give him a proper burial. Why do I sacrifice for him and not my own mother?
Because you pretend to hate the river, but actually you love it. Because do you know what my tests are showing?
What? Not now, Uma.
No, listen. Phages are usually really selective, but the phages in the Ganges are active against a whole spectrum of germs, like our immune system. They adapt, and I strongly believe that the phages in the Ganga are so active only because of the amount of organic material thrown in there.
So you're saying that this river became holy only because the Hindus believed it's holy?
No, I'm saying that it doesn't matter what you believe, as long as you believe. God, refraction, holy water, angry water. I mean, think about it. You get what you want, your mother gets what she wants.
You know, that's a dangerous message.
Bhaiyo aur behno, I have come here to tell you some wonderful things about our goddess Ganga. For all these years, we have been telling you to believe in medicines and injections. And for all these years, you have been listening to us. But this year, isi waqt, the priests and I have something earth-shaking to present to you. You were right, all of you, from the humblest child to the most powerful priest, you were all right. Because today, even science is bowing its head to our Ganga Maiya. The same science that told us that our mother is dying. Today we have proof, scientific proof, that she walks among us. Today I make a solemn promise that our party will harness the power of the goddess for you, my Hindu children of the river.
Ma, what sins do you have that you need to wash your every day?
What? You need to understand that sometimes a woman only has to live her life the way she wants, and it becomes a sin.
So how long do we have to come here like this?
Every day for the rest of our lives. Don't you understand, Ajay? We now live near the holiest place for a Hindu to be.
Holier than heaven?
Maybe not holier than heaven, but very holy. Do you know why?
Because of the Ganga.
Not only because of the Ganga, but also the Yamuna. This is where these two rivers meet. And I'm going to tell you a secret today. A big secret. Do you know there is a third river as well?
What? No? Where?
We can't see it. It's called the Saraswati.
But where is it?
Some say it's invisible, some say it's underground. But right here in Allahabad, the invisible Saraswati meets the Ganga and the Yamuna. Imagine, Ajay, three mighty rivers meeting at this one spot.
I can see the green water, Ma, right over there.
That's the Yamuna.
And the brown.
The Ganga.
So, what color is the Saraswati?
Who knows?
Maybe it's clear, Ma, like water.
Like water?
Maybe the Saraswati is the holiest one.
Maybe.
Like proper water. Clear.
I come to you as a child to his mother. I come as an orphan to you, moist with love. I come without refuge, giver of sacred rest. I come a fallen man, uplifter of all. I come undone by disease to you, the perfect physician. I come, my heart dry with thirst, to ocean of sweet wine. Do with me whatever you will. Whatever you will. Whatever you will.
साधु डाकू रंग राजा तेरे घाट पे आए, तूने जब कोई भेद किया है, जन जन के तू प्यास बुझाए। गंगा बहती जाए, सूरज चंद्र